To manage and complete a scheduled job in the Service module, select the job from the schedule. If the job has multiple cost centers, navigate to the relevant cost center. Review the job, site, and customer details. To record travel, tap Start Travel. This adds a start time for the travel time block in the schedule. Select Recording Time As and select the relevant schedule rate to record against the travel time if required. Tap Stop Travel to stop recording travel. Select a status. To start recording the work time on site, tap Start Work. Select a schedule rate, or tap Pause Work as required. All time blocks are added to the Time Recorded drop-down, which you can edit as required. To complete pre-audits, tap the relevant audit type, select the audits required to be completed, and tap Next. Choose the employees who will be completing the audit, including yourself, and tap Start. Answer the listed questions, and navigate through the audits until they are complete. You can navigate back and change answers if required. Sign off on the audit and tap Done. Tapping Start Work and completing audits updates the mobile status, stops recording travel time, and creates a time block. Select the schedule rate for the required work time. If pause statuses have been set up in Simpro Premium, you can tap Pause Work to temporarily stop recording time against the job. Select the relevant pause status and tap Start Work to resume. Use the icons to open customer or site details in default applications. Tap Work Description to display the complete cost center description, and check other technicians scheduled to the job on the current day. View job notes, customer notes, site notes, and schedule notes for the job. Tap Attachments to view any existing job and site attachments. Tap the Add button and select to attach files, photos from the device, or take a photo or video. The Scope of Works lists the service fees, pre-builds, catalog items, and one-off items added. You can also verify the estimated quantities and whether the items are billed to the customer. In the Your Job Card section, add work completed notes using scripts. General technician notes, record times for other technicians and plant items, and update time recorded as required. The Materials section lists all the catalog items added to the job, including any catalog items contained in pre-builds. Toggle Hide Unused to only display items that are used on the job. Adjust the quantity of the used materials and add materials from stock or catalog if extra items are required. You can create a purchase order and receive items. If you are assigned any tasks in a cost center, you can update and complete them as required. The Job Overview allows you to access other cost centers. Site History lists all work completed notes previously added by technicians for any jobs completed on the site. When all works are complete, tap Review and Finish. Under Review Your Job Card, confirm the work completed, the materials, and labor. Toggle off Include Current Recording Time Block when filling out the job retrospectively. Tap Edit Job Card to navigate back and update details as required. Complete the Post Audits using the same process as pre-audits. Sign off the job with technician and customer signatures. You can select from all customers and site contacts, or enter the customer's name manually. Select a mobile status for submission. Select to send the job card as an email attachment to the customer, and tap Stop Work and Finish to complete the workflow. Note that if the job has not been invoiced, you can select to record travel back if required. Select the vehicle icon to open the job you are traveling from and stop travel.